sail. Just watch my YouTube channel.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
This fish is all bent. It's all gone. It's really bad.
Look at the beautiful view. The clouds.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
look how big the storm could be.
just going across.
We could walk across, there's no water.
Just across the shore.
Yeah, there's no water. There's all sand right here. Up high, right along. There's no water there.
Where's the ocean from?
Okay. More this is discovered before the man was discovered.
Gone into ocean.
But man played with it and blocked it. They blocked it off and they didn't want all the much.
So do you think it's very deep? Can I go for straight there or not? Ocean deep, when I pray to show your feelings. Huh? Look. Look there now. Have a look at one that's from the bushfire. Bushfire. That's the one that's coming from the roof. Alibako. That's cold because it's getting colder. Ito na ako nasa ikan kami sa tanawa guys, nahupas siya, wala siya dagat kaya kita. Come with me, let's go travel in the ocean. It's a beautiful day. Welcome to Chicago. Ah, the big. Oh, it's very cold. Cold day. Very cold. Now naman. Awan yung mga guys, napag-play. Naguling na tulog sa mga food pan. Pwede siyang muling mo. Mag-barbecue. Ito kayo ang dagat guys. Pero gusto kayo balot. Balot sa kapalaran. Kung mauli-awon mo, magpapatuloy na lang dito. Guys, makalingaw magtuloy-tuloy sa lapit sa dagat. Sa mo, sorry na mo, dali na mo. Oo. Mag-try kung saka. Ani ha? Magpadaot na sa. Bye, I'll see you. Oh, wait. Pwede siya. Now, tanawan dito, pwede na siya mahuling. Naano, ikan sa baha, ikan sa dagat. Karon, padong namin mahuli. Kami naglatay-latay sa buntot. Makita ang beach na beach nga dagat na dili beach na beach. Okay. Naman. Is that a bird or a plane? It says it's only me, huh?
Helikopter.
Big airplane. Helicopter, Bob? Helicopter. Nagyamnan nga mo, ipagalakuan, ipagasubayon, ipahayo. Oh! Hindi ko masapit, ha? Malapit, hindi ko masapit. Again, real good. Kalinga-linga here, guys. Ang pagkakatawa. Tara na, manguli na ta, okay? Tugnaw na. Ang bawat guys, ang malyanan, lam sa kakahuyan, sa kalasangan. Green ka siya, guys. Kanindot tayo. Green grass. So there's a lot of trees, mga kakahuyan, mga murar ko naasa mo ang bukid. Daghan kayo kahoy, pero lahi lang ko nangamatay ang kahoy because it's winter. Yun magod. I'm gonna show you what's that out. Look! Rabbit! She's hiding. Why? Scared. Kinidiri guys. Small sumpay sa river. River nga kata akong i-video sa una. Ano siya? Sumpay. Huwag na sign nga nakasuwat. No dogs is allowed. Rangers patrolling, penalties apply. Uy, hala. Mga penalty ta. Patay na. Para ta. Dagan free. Dagan free. Ay, walay man. Diring the pita, guys. Kung ngawon ka, mamsi ka, musuroy lang ka, okay na, fights na, hindi na ka mingawon, kaya din namin mandot ng mga lugar. Kita na kagpaagi kung saan ka malingaw. Are you okay, Mike? Adong namin manguli sa mong balay. Ada kain tao guys, wala na dito siya sa komunidad diri. Ikot kami dyan. Kulang gata, Mountain Hospital for the South Coast. Kahian guys, na ikasilias o. Okay, thank you for watching.